was asked to show the folding mirrors we have here in Australia. That's the button there. Press them. Both sides at the same time. It's kind of strange you don't have that in America, because you think that'd all be the same. And I didn't think these had heating, but they obviously do. I thought they'd like change that instead of heating, but yeah. Anyway, folding mirrors on the WJ Jeeps in Australia. Apparently not available in America. So yeah, I have sent a set to America before for a fan, WJ fan. So but hard to get a hold of a complete set. And then I also sent the buttons and everything, but the thing is, it's all you drive on that side in America, so a bit hard to swap them, and you don't have a button on that side, and basically you can't move this panel to that side of the door. So I'm not sure if you could, incorporate the panel as well if that was sent to you. I did send that to the guy in America. He never let me know if he got it working or not. I don't know. So anyway, the folding mirrors.